Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show all the creations that I've made throughout the week. In the description box below, you'll find links to the original blog post where I shared the card for the first time. In this week, there is also a couple cards, I think. Maybe just one, not sure. No, there's two. I don't know. That I've already sent off, and so pictures of those will be in the slideshow at the end. I also want to apologize. My dishwasher is running. Normally I don't do videos when that's on, but I kind of forgot that I needed to make this. I got caught up in doing chores and errands, and then it dawned on me I needed to make this video, and I wanted to get it done before my daughter was home and my husband was home. So I apologize for the noisy background. I know that's typically not a good thing, but I wanted to get this out. So to start things off, it was the Craft & Chemie new release still. Everything came out on Saturday. Such a fun release. And on Saturday we showed the Kooky Kangaroos stamp set and the Booming Boomerang stencil. Hope you have a bouncing birthday. And there's the inside. So fun. And then on Sunday I shared that stamp set again for the Shop and Hop. I colored the kangaroo a little bit dark, but I think it worked well with the basic gray paper. Sending love to Rue. And there's the inside. Then I had a card that I sent to my friend Alicia to just send her some love. So that will be in the slideshow at the end. And then I was on the Craft & Chemie blog for Inspirational Wednesday, and I chose Butterfly Dreams to work with the stamp set. Such a gorgeous stamp set. I did some ink blending with some Craft & Chemie inks on the background, and then I heat embossed gold, the sentiment and the butterflies, and then I did the edges as well, and I just think it turned out so pretty. And I did the inside as well with that gold embossing. So there it says, "Let your dreams take flight on soaring wings." So pretty. And then we had an Instagram hop, and I showed this fun card using the Safari Fun stamp set and some more basic gray papers, wishing you tons of fun. Just some flags on the inside. And then on Friday I did have a belated birthday card that I had already sent out. So again, that will be in the slideshow at the end. So there's my creations for the week. Thank you so much for stopping by. And I'm still creating like crazy behind the scenes, trying to get caught up. I'm like this close. I'm working on July's release for Craft & Chemie because I like to send those to Kim so that she has those to share. And then I should hopefully be able to start creating videos a little bit more often and maybe a little bit more regular, like a regular schedule. But I'm not going to say a schedule because I want this to stay fun and just do it when I'm in the mood. So anyways, hope you have a great Saturday and have a super crafty day.